In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export Smartsheet data to Excel. If you need to analyze your work offline, share a snapshot with teammates, or pivot data in Excel, this quick process will get your information out of Smartsheet and into a familiar spreadsheet format, without any guesswork. Start by opening the specific Smartsheet item you want to export. This can be a sheet, a report, or even a dashboard. Make sure you're on the correct item with the data you need, and that you have permission to view it. Once it's open, look to the top left of your screen and click File in the menu bar. This is your access point for all export options. Within the File menu, hover over Export to reveal the available formats. Choose Export to Microsoft Excel. Smartsheet will prepare the file for you. Depending on your browser and your Smartsheet settings, you may see a confirmation. If you do, simply click Export again to finalize the download and start the export. If you're new to Smartsheet or need to access it on a fresh device, I've placed the official website link at the very top of the description. And if you prefer using the app, you'll find the download link there too. That way, you can follow along right away. Once the export begins, your Excel file will download to your computer. In most browsers, you'll see the file appear in the download bar at the bottom or top of your window. You can also find it in your system's downloads folder. If you're managing multiple exports, it's a good idea to rename the file as soon as it lands, so you can tell versions apart later. A few important notes to set expectations. Attachments that are linked to rows in Smartsheet are not included in the Excel export, so if you need those, download them separately from the attachment panel. Some Smartsheet-specific formatting may not translate precisely to Excel. Colors, formulas, and conditional rules might look a bit different, so plan to do a quick pass in Excel to adjust formatting or verify formulas. If you work with reports, there's also an option called Request Underlying Data, which lets you download the report's source data as a CSV, handy if you prefer a flat, clean dataset for analysis. And if you're doing recurring exports, consider automating with the Smartsheet API, Bridge by Smartsheet, or a direct integration to save time. Finally, very large sheets can take longer to export, so give it a moment to finish before trying again. That's the whole process. Open your item, go to File, choose Export to Microsoft Excel, confirm if prompted, and grab your file from your downloads. Thanks for watching.